Where's Finn?
Hi everyone, this is a quick video. I didn't have time to do a video this week. I was busy editing a collaboration video which is due up this week for next week. So I am just putting up a quick one. This is an old painting which I have already done and given to somebody.
Where's Finn?
But this video is actually showing you how I varnish my paintings. I like to clean down my paintings first just with a lightly damp cloth, generally a lint-free cloth, and then wipe them down and leave them to dry. And then I put a spray coat of gloss varnish over the top. This also helps to just seal the painting and finish it off. And then when that's dry, I like to use the Liquitex gloss medium or the Liquitex gloss varnish. Both of these do a good job at sealing your paintings and giving them a nice shine when you're using them. Now, I also water my varnish down slightly. I don't add too much water because if you put too much water in, then it breaks up the actual varnish component. And then I mix them together, and it helps thin it out and helps you when you're putting it onto the painting. I like to use a wide brush, but this is just me. Everyone has their own different way of putting their varnishes down. This is my style of putting the varnishes down. This style does leave a slight brush stroke, but I actually don't mind that. I actually think that adds to the artwork. I put down the first layer, making sure that I don't go over what I have already done too many times. The limit you can generally go over is about twice. Then if you keep going over, you'll find it gets sticky, and that's when you can leave marks on your painting.
Where's Finn?
I have a lot of noise here this afternoon. It's been a beautiful winter's day, beautiful and clear, and all the small planes are out flying above our house because we live near the water. So I apologise if you can hear airplanes in the background. So now I leave this to dry completely, and then I will put a second coat over. Sometimes I'll do a third, it just depends, but a second coat will generally give it a beautiful shine and give the painting a really beautiful look at the end. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, short and sweet, but I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.